A planetary gearbox is a power transmission mechanism that utilizes the speed conversion function of gears to reduce the motor speed to the desired level while achieving greater torque. The planetary gearbox engages a gear with fewer teeth on the input shaft with a larger gear on the output shaft to accomplish the reduction. It consists of an internal gear ring tightly integrated with the gearbox housing, with a thumb gear driven by external power at the center of the ring. Between these two components, there is a set of planetary gears evenly spaced on a carrier. This set of planetary gears is supported by the output shaft, the internal gear ring, and the thumb gear. When the input power drives the thumb gear, it in turn drives the planetary gears to rotate.